Let's start by opening a text editor. I'm gonna use VS Code. Create a new file called index.html and save it. First, type in doctype HTML. This lets the browser know that it's a HTML document. Let's create a HTML tag. Inside this tag, you can make a head tag and a body tag. The head container has things that provide information about the document. Now I want to create a title tag. This defines the title of the document. Now let's add a big headline to our website. We do this by adding a h1 tag. Let's add some text to the h1 tag. Now let's open it in the browser and there you have it. You just made your first website. Let's add some paragraphs to our website. We use the p tag to add some text for the document. Now I want to separate these two texts so they show up on separate lines. For that, we'll use the br tag or the line break tag. Now I want to add a picture to my website, and in order to do that, I'll make another tag called img or image tag. The source attribute specifies the path to the image. I already have a picture in mind and I'll just copy paste that inside the image tag. I'll put a link to it down in the description so you can see for yourself. And there you have it. Make sure you always save the .html file so that everything shows up in the browser. So the website doesn't really look that good, but we can make it look even better using CSS. And I'll be showing you how to do that in the next episode. So see you till then.